behalf of the people and government of Niger State, I have the honor and privilege to welcome you, the #1 citizens of Nigeria, to Niger State, the home of green economy, for the official commissioning of the just remodeled domestic terminal of the just renamed Bola Ahmed Tinubu International Airport.
We need to grow what we eat, we need to eat what we grow. Babu and other governors are beginning to set the need. But today is about Niger. Your Excellency, it's no coincidence that all the 4 governors that are here, including my humble self, and Babu making 5, have thought through how do we enhance and we can fast track, food security in our country. Bago and I, specifically, and others too are working, have signed, an agreement that Bago being the biggest state in the country, me being the smallest state in the country, and has the largest population, we are tied together in the hip, because whatever he produces, we must feed the people in Lagos. And the middle belt happens to be the food hub of our country. So it's no coincidence that our chairman is here, Umpara, our Reverend Father Benry is here, and also our new governor of Kogi State, Dudu, is also here. We believe that we are on a conversation and ensuring that your vision at producing the required food security for this country is on track. And for us is to continue to do a peer review to ensure that we can adequately, feed our citizens, produce more than enough for them.
We've seen the level of commitment here from the state level. We've seen leadership and the success story of any leader will depend on the ability to do what they ought to do at the time it ought to be done. It is that time now for Nigeria to change the challenge and make it an economic opportunity. We must care for people. We must rearrange our farming population, including livestock program.